look like that. Hey y'all, so today is Friday, February 10th, 7:37 p.m. and y'all, I am sad because Thursday, which was yesterday, I had to leave school early because y'all, I just wasn't feeling good. Like my whole body was sore because the swim season started and I just went to practice. Like I think this is my first week doing swim practice, and it's been really cold outside, so it's like it's cold outside plus water swimming. It's not a good combo. So like my mom kept saying, but I didn't want to say she was right. I'm sick now. You know, yesterday I got picked up from school early. I just wasn't feeling good. I was like, I'm just like, forget skipping swim practice. I'm gonna have to skip school altogether because I really did not feel good. Like my body hurted. My not just my body, but like my soreness, and then in my inner body also was hurting. Like it was bad, y'all. So then I wake up on Friday, right, and I already feel it. Like I can already feel that I'm sick, and I'm not usually sick. Like I usually never miss school unless it's like an absolute emergency. Y'all, I brushed my teeth. I'm done. As soon as I finished brushing my teeth, I went to my mom and I was like, I'm sick. I can't go to school. Like I couldn't even if I wanted to. Like that's how bad it was, y'all. Like I promise, I woke up and the pain in my throat and in my chest and in my body, it was so bad. Like it was so bad.
Hold up, wait a minute, something ain't right.
And you know, usually even if I like got a little cold or something, I'll just like brush it off and still go to school. Cause it's like, y'all, I promise y'all, it's like you miss one day of school and then you're back like on a week of work, if that makes sense. You miss one day and then you're behind 7. Yeah, basically what I'm trying to say. So trust me, I'm not one to play that fake sick card. Maybe in elementary school, but now no. So y'all, it just sucks. I missed school today and I missed 2 days of swimming practice. It sucks, but oh well. I needed this day to build my immunity back up and get things back on track. So yeah. Anyways, y'all, yeah, I just wanted to talk about how unfortunately I had to miss a day and a half of school. Boo. All that means is that I got work to catch up on, and that shouldn't be a problem. But them 2 days of swimming practice though, I don't know, cause y'all, once you get out of the sports season and you not constantly working out like you used to, you lose your endurance and stamina and all that stuff. Those days do matter, those days that I miss. But I mean, it was no point in me going because I'd be there either sitting in the cold, getting more sick, or being in the water and being in the cold and getting more sick. So it was no point in me going. And my energy was just low. Like this morning, usually when I wake up, just in general, usually when I wake up, I can't go back to sleep. But the fact that I woke up and was able to go back to sleep, I needed that. So, y'all, I'm just tired. Today is Friday, tomorrow's Saturday. Y'all, I'm excited for Super Bowl Sunday. I'm excited to see that Rihanna performance because y'all know she hasn't been performing for years now. I don't know how long exactly, but usually on those days my mom makes like tostadas or something. So we're gonna be eating and then watching the craziness unravel on the Super Bowl. So that's gonna be cool. And y'all, I'm just excited. I know a lot of people are looking forward to this because she hasn't performed in a minute. Other than that, the football and stuff, I don't really care about. I don't really watch. Like, I'd rather be playing the sport than watching this. I'm vlogging. Ugh. But I'd rather be watching this. Rather be playing the sport than watching it. Y'all, I'm excited to start editing and filming again. Like, I haven't done this stuff in months, and life has just not been lifing. It's been very boring and draining, and I'm tired of it. I'm tired. I'm taking my life, taking it back into my control. We about to have fun. We about to have more vlogs, more editing, more traveling, hopefully. Just all around better. Yeah. You know, I'm so excited. Like I hope this excitement stays. It should, cause I'm done. We're having fun now. We're enjoying life. So yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to give y'all a really quick update, talk to y'all a little bit, check in, see how are y'all doing. Tell me in the comments, genuinely. Like, man, I've been good, I've been fine, I've been cool. You know, just let me know. You know, you can also let me know by clicking that like button. You know, that also lets me know you're watching and you need you needed a little check-in. So yeah, just let me know, you know. And yeah, I just wanted to talk to you guys real quick. Maybe once I get better, maybe another weekend or something. Oh, maybe I could take y'all with me. Me and my friends supposed to be going to the Academy Museum. I don't know if y'all seen it, but I already made a video on that museum. I'm gonna make a vlog, possibly. First time making a vlog in front of my friend too, so if I do it, y'all are gonna see it, and that could be really cool. But until then, I'll talk to y'all later. So
for the flesh and one for the soul. Where did mine go? I'm trying to fill that hole.
hey y'all, Super Bowl just started not too long ago. I forgot to pull my camera out, but I just wanted to tell y'all that white man who sung the Star Spangled Banner, he ate and left no crumbs. I'm trying to remember his name. I don't want to call him just the white man, but
Oh, the ramparts we walk and the rockets regular upon her, singing out, yeah, ran away. Oh, the land of the free and the home of the brave.
he had me singing up there for real. I was like, oh, okay, I see you. This ain't no Fergie situation. It's a
Deep down the field for Brown. Makes the catch as he in. No. Well, we knew they would take a shot here early. He's got a shot. Kenneth Gainwell in the game, but he lines up as a wide receiver.
Fill that hole.
I bet you sliced it into the woods.
Feel my touch.
Coming up, Rihanna on the world's biggest stage. Watch the Apple Music Super Bowl 57 halftime show.
Speak with your mind.
Really hoping I'm an angel in disguise.
Thank you for giving me a heart. You have
You were the best mom I could have ever had.
Welcome to the Chief Halftime.
So welcome back to the Chief Halftime Show. That and more right after this.
Lifelong dreams. They take the grace for the past and compare us.
10-point lead here at halftime with Super Bowl 57.
Right. Jalen Hurts will take off.
oh my god.
Child. Anyway, so
Why is it so bright? Hey y'all, so we got this pot, right? And this is usually a pot I use like all the time. Like I will use it to make tea, I will use it to make vegetables, I use it to make noodles, like anything I needed to make, this is the pot I will use it for. This pot got destroyed. Like the stuff has been stuck at the bottom of this pot for weeks. Like literally, like the only thing you can make in it is like boiled eggs, because anything else it might contaminate it or it's just you just wouldn't use it for your food. You know. I was telling my mom, I was like, what if we try to get like, you know, some pink stuff and scrub it off? Like, y'all know that stuff is actually called pink stuff, and you use it to take off stuck on burn stains and things of that nature. So I'm gonna film me trying to use the pink stuff to take it off the pot and see if it actually works, because y'all, this stuff has been soaking for weeks and been scrubbed and been washed over and over again, and it just has not come out. So we gonna really see if this pink stuff works. It better work, because I've seen some videos with it and it looks promising. It looks promising. But we finna test it out, okay? Hey y'all. Ooh, I got a ketchup on my face. Don't mind my hair either. I was taking some braids out, but I wanted to show y'all the progress on the pot and the pink stuff, right? So I let the pink stuff sit overnight, and I was scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing and scrubbing it this morning, and a decent amount came out, and I wanted to show y'all what it's looking like so far. I've just been letting the pink stuff sit on this, and a lot came out. I'm actually going to rinse it off and show y'all just how much, like, you can already tell, like, because before you would see like more black stuff under the pink and stuff. So yeah, now that I've rinsed out all the pink stuff, y'all see this is what it's looking like now compared to, I'm gonna try to put it side by side how it was looking earlier. Like, it was just straight up black. I don't know. But yeah, I feel like I only need to scrub it, maybe let it sit a couple more times. Eventually all of the black stuff should come out. Only thing I'm worried about is that the coating, well, my mom told me it used to be like all black coating, like that's supposed to be a black coated pot. So the coating been gone for a while, but I'm afraid with all this like scrubbing and then like rinsing and stuff, it's like wearing down on the like the distance between the actual pot and like the lead and materials inside. I don't know, I'm kind of scared. Like, y'all know back in medieval times, right, they used to cook in metal pots and pans, but it was lead. Like they didn't have any coating or anything. It was just straight up metal and stuff. And so during medieval times, a lot of people died from lead poisoning. Which brings me to my point. Is this like increasing my exposure to the raw materials, or is it like, I feel kind of, I don't know. Is it like, okay? I'm not sure. Hopefully. I mean, I guess we'll find out. I mean, that's not the way you want to find out, but that's what we're gonna do today. So yeah, I just wanted to give you a really quick update on how the pot's looking, and talk to y'all later. I'm so tired. I've been taking my hair down all day. It's 3:42. I feel like I'm so close to getting locks, like, for real. Like, the only thing that's keeping me is I want to wear afro one day, or braids this day, or twist this day, or this style this day. And it's like, you can't wear puffs and stuff if you got locks. You can't. But I'll talk to y'all later. I'm tired and I need to get my stuff done, so. Ladies are escalating.